Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to your girl CrazeeTash. This is just a little weekly random vlog. Allergies are beat me. I don't know if you can hear it. Allergies are beat me. My hair one do. My hair is a hot mess, so hopefully I can even like cut the braids and kind of pull it out today. But hopefully, let's see how that works. But mom and dad are going on the road right now. We're just going to do a little touch up at the supermarkets, like few things for the house, and come back home and thing. So soon come, guys. God going if we go outside, because outside and the allergies is not me and friend. Me hit on a friend. What? Anyways, soon come, guys. Metro, you see any hibiscus tea? I think I could try this one. So this one here, hibiscus flowers tea. Menstrual pain. There's another one down there that says something, but this is kind of pricey. Guys, good morning. We came back from the supermarkets, but I was too hungry and too sick. So good morning. Just I come back to you guys. But allergies are doing me bad. My allergies are killing me. But anyways, today is Sunday and it's Cinco de Mayo. So it's not a big thing. I don't know what Cinco de Mayo is, but I've been feeling for the last time I went out with my best friend, one of my best friends, and we had some nachos, some beef nachos. So you know me, well, of experiments, I wanted to try it. So based on the fact that it's Cinco de Mayo, why not, right? Why not? It's my time of the month as well, so you see my face is breaking out, but we move. I just can't be great. Anyways, so with that being said, mommy's doing breakfast. She's doing some dumplings and callaloo and saltfish. I'm gonna do my nachos for lunch, and then I'm gonna attempt to do honey jerk wings for dinner. So we're gonna bring you guys through that and stuff. I wanted to go on a little run, a little walk this afternoon, but it's raining. Let me see what the weather is like right now. Yeah, it's raining all after. Yeah, it's gonna be raining, so can't forget about that. So you guys are gonna be inside with me all day today, so I just the life, right? It's just the life. But yeah, it's gonna be raining all day, so you see what before it crack up. Anyways, it's gonna be raining all day, guys, so can't forget about that. So it may just do some little stretches later, because I want to get my body kind of little, you know, some tension relief, just yeah, some little mentality. But anyways, we missed watching service this morning because we weren't seeing the live stream, so we're gonna watch that right now, and then I want to get into seasoning the jerk wings and get my nachos started. So let's go. So this is how dinner came out. So it's honey jerk, barbecue wings with some lettuce, and mom did some yellow rice. So about to grab on that and enjoy. Guys, it's a new day. Girl, mash up when I cooked this evening. Mommy bought some food, so about to grab on that. I'm gonna have this to pull out, and I want to get back onto exercising. I may not do an exercise routine today, but I want to go walk. So I may do that, but I'm gonna do that like later on when it's not so bright outside, because Yeah, my battery is about to die, so let me show the food quickly. Yeah, so got some fried chicken and rice and peas, so about to grab on this right now. Yeah guys, so soon on the next side. Guys, I'm outside, so you see I waited for this time of the night to come outside, so we're going on a little evening walk right now. Yeah, and hopefully this can help clear my mind a little bit too, because you know when you mentally just want to come out of the house, not really come out of the house, but mentally I wanted to walk. And yeah, so hopefully this little walk and let me feel a little bit better, and then we're gonna go home and drink some Recess has some like magnesium in it, so hopefully that should make you get some chef's kiss sleep, which I need. Girl be tired. But anyway, so we're outside and stuff. Let me show you guys the outfit. Just got these workout outfits just the other day. We're gonna probably go walk, so we're gonna, probably walk down that street a little bit, and yeah, put on some little tunes and just going on a little zone. I'm excited. I haven't done this in a while, and I'm by myself. Mommy didn't follow me. Yeah, because I'm off from work tomorrow. She has work, so she wanted to get herself ready for work, so I'm just gonna take it. Hopefully another evening she can follow me. So we'll be doing this, guys, because the weather is nice, so hopefully we'll be doing this more often. Yeah, and yeah, with the power hot girl thing, hot girl walk, hot girl lifestyle, and we change your habits, healthy habits. Start about it, let's talk about it. Anyways, let's go, guys. Put it in 5, I'll be outside, I'll be on the way, you can meet me in 5, I'll be on 9, I'll be all day, put it in 5, I'll be outside, I'll be. Guys, we made it home. So this is what I was telling you guys about Recess. So it has magnesium and adaptogen infused sparkling water, calm, cool, collected. So I'm gonna have some of this right now, but I'm wondering if I should go shower first. I think I'm gonna go shower first. I just took it out of the freezer, so I'm gonna go shower first and then have this and then go to my bed. Yeah, as I told you guys, it's a homebody, so majority of this video is gonna be inside. So God bless the look outside walk when I get a while ago. Morning, guys, welcome back. As you see down in the title, it's Mother's Day, so the plan for today is to do a Mother's Day brunch. So I want to get some breakfast ready. I'm gonna get some like breakfast lunch stuff ready, yeah, and get the table decorated and all of that. That's the plan for her. That's what I'm treating her for Mother's Day. You guys not gonna see her yet because she just finished shower and she'll get herself fresh and nice for her Mother's Day and stuff. So that's the plan for today. I'm here, I'm boiling the water. I don't know if you can hear it in the background. I'm boiling the water for tea right now because she says she wants a little caramel coffee. So I'm gonna get that started for her and get situated with all the cooking and stuff. So I'm gonna bring you guys through all of that. We're gonna do like a quick montage, show all the cooking and stuff and decor the table, and you guys are just gonna enjoy the little Mother's Day with us. So let's get into it. And a happy Mother's Day to all the persons who are mothers on my channel. Happy Mother's Day to you guys. Happy Mother's Day to our prospective mothers like myself, hopefully one day, in the name of Jesus. Yeah, happy Mother's Day to me in advance. But genuinely and truly, thank you to all the mothers that have been there for their children, especially single mothers. You guys have hasn't been an easy journey, I know for sure, because when I easy to deal with, children are not easy to deal with. So you guys are strong, and thank you guys so much for the complete guidance, just being our biggest support system, and just thank you for being there for us through everything. All right, guys, happy Mother's Day. Good morning, mommy. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, guys, so she's drinking her tea and stuff. So That's the start of what we're going on so far. You okay?
Sure. You're gonna be a teacher. Something you feel like a father. You're a counselor. Can I talk to somebody? You are all in all. You are the everything. Somebody give God a praise.
We eat off the food. I forgot because it was getting late. So we eat off the food and forget to show them. But some stuff kind of still left, so we showed them. Had the bacon and some sausage, burger sausage and some plantain. The pak choy was there, and I did a little rose design. We have some fruits. I have some pine. What that be again? Pine, melon, and strawberry. And with some fried dumpling, one left. And I did a little mimosa with some moscato. With some moscato and orange juice, and a little design of the strawberry. So that's how the table was looking and stuff. But we already done slap with the food. Already done deal with the food. So I'm gonna do dinner now. I'm gonna get started on dinner now. So that's baked chicken. Wait, you want rice and peas? Yeah, so I'm gonna do baked chicken and rice and peas and stuff. But the kitchen is a chaos, so I'm gonna have to go clean up that now and then go get dinner started. It's getting late. And we eat early and relax. So yeah, guys. Enjoy your food, mommy. Enjoy a little brunch.
Yeah. Let's fill it all the way up.